Hey there, Lewis here guys. Today I actually just want to talk to you about the simple power of reinvesting your dividends into your ETF. We'll find that doing this actually significantly increases the returns you get in the long run. For this video, I will use the NDQ index fund as an example and build a model to show the major differences between one, investing in the index fund every month but without a reinvestment plan, so you don't put the dividends back in, and two, investing every month but with an investment plan, so you are putting the dividends back in. We're going to do this over a 32-year period. Why 32? Why the hell not? Let's all have long and prosperous lives. We're going to assume that the NDQ has an annual growth rate of 7%. Dividend returns are going to be 3.5% of the amount you own. I'm going to invest $1,000 a month into the fund, and then that's approximately $12,000 a year. So without ado, let's get into the numbers. Alright, so as we can see in the orange, it is what you'd get if you did not reinvest. If you look at the green, it is what you would get if you did reinvest. You can see how in the beginning of each one it does start out quite slow, but then as we get to the very end, it gets larger and larger and larger, especially if you are reinvesting those dividends. I actually want to visualize that. I have a graph here. So yeah, essentially by the time you hit the 32-year mark and you did reinvest, you would have almost 3 times as much of your portfolio. So yeah, there we go. Pretty much a quick video and the power of compounding in the lens of dividends. This is Lewis, my show, and don't YOLO everything. Be smart with your money. Yeah.